Welcome to week 3 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin using the Ember app, where I pick 3 NFL games and then pick those 3 games in a parlay as well. I'm picking the teams that I think are most guaranteed to win. I'll show my stats updated from week to week. You can see that I'm 8-0 so far. And the best thing about this is that there's zero investment. So if you're interested in earning some free Bitcoin with zero investment, please use the Ember app link that I put in the description. And as you can see, I'm undefeated over 2 weeks, making $72.86. Not bad, right? For my first pick, I'm picking the Buffalo Bills over the Miami Dolphins. Their odds are terrible, but I'm going for wins over everything. And the Bills completely own the Dolphins. The Dolphins haven't beaten them in years, and the Dolphins probably have the worst defense in the league right now. I could honestly see this being a blowout or a close game, but I don't think Miami wins in Buffalo either way. As well as Miami's really bad in primetime games, so I just think it's a perfect storm for them to lose. For my second game, I'm picking the Green Bay Packers over the Cleveland Browns. Ever since Green Bay traded for Micah Parsons, it's made them look like a championship contender. They have a good running game, a good passing game, and now a great defense, while Cleveland is pretty much below average in everything. Their defense is decent, keeps them in games, but having a 40-year-old quarterback, not much of a running game, and no weapons, I don't really think they have a chance. And for my final pick, I'm picking the Kansas City Chiefs over the New York Giants. The Kansas City Chiefs haven't had a good year so far, and I think they're going to really try to avoid being 0-3. And the Giants are the perfect team for them to face. They're not great on offense, they throw for a lot of yards, but they don't score many points, and their defense is very below average. I don't see this one being very close. And if you parlay all of that together, you'll see that I'm risking 5,000 sats to gain 9,488. So this is the worst odds I've received all week. But let's hope we go undefeated and I'm 12-0 going into next week. And quickly, for legal purposes, I just have to say that these videos are for entertainment purposes only. And while Ember does allow sports predictions without putting in any of your real money, I do have to point this out. And I'll be back on Tuesday with my updated stats and new picks for the week. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.